The stock market, S&P 500. Let's see what's going on with this. Is the weekly chart. This is this week's candlestick. Just a little tiny candlestick. We can see today came right up to the resistance line there of 4327. The high was basically 4326, 25.5. So right up against it. Not surprising considering quad witching's coming up next week. Usually we see this kind of action where you get this peakish kind of price action before you get into quad witching. Very, very common. So we'll see whether or not this breaks through this resistance before the quad witching next week. It could, but we'll look at that during the daily. Be aware of this time frame right here. This date, July 3rd, the week of July 3rd. And of course, be aware of August 13th, which I do think there's going to be a cycle low there. But we'll just see where this price is at. Is it way up in here and going to be coming down? Is it, down in here? That's, obviously quite a ways to go through summertime. I do think we'll see some kind of price stall or price decline right around Independence Day here in America. Okay, let's look at the daily. So here we are on the daily chart. You can see this candlestick, the daily candlestick, looks very much like the weekly candlestick, doesn't it? Right up against the 4327. Again, we already know that hit about 4326-ish today. And still sitting in this very kind of consolidated area right here. Divergence going on. The market's still strong, but look at all these days here. They're all just small range days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small range days. So it's not like we're having this big breakout in the market, right? It's just not happening. So again, divergence going on here on the daily chart. I see divergence happening here on the certainty rate. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that and see if this data becomes relevant. This divergence, I should say, doesn't become relevant. Of course, June 21st is the cycle low that's expected, and quad witching, which is June 16th. So I do still expect price to decline. Though, it's possible the market could get strong and then just stall sideways. So I'll be watching very carefully to see what the market does, especially going into next week and then, into the second and third weeks of June. Okay, let's look at the trade of the day. Right here, guys, on the 5-minute chart, which, by the way, these are streamed live to the members. The 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 1 hour are streamed live to the members 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Okay, for the futures, which, of course, you can use that for the SPY and the SPX as well. But look at this 11 a.m. alert that came in here on the streaming chart. Look at that. Happened right in this candlestick. The next candlestick hits the bottom of the day. Are you kidding me? What a great alert this time. And I'll show you on the Discord server, the alert that hits the Discord server in addition to the streaming chart alert right here, right? But just look at this. My goodness. I mean, even if you took it over here and got back out, got out somewhere in this candlestick and got back in, either way, you're looking at a range of about 4,300 up to about, 4,312, 12, 13 points right here. Pretty small range going on from that line to there, right? But on such a small day like today, I'll take the 10, 12 points. Very nice. There was also an opportunity back here, I think it was like 4 a.m. in the morning. For those that were, particularly my international friends, here at about 4:05 a.m., look at this. Right, you can see that you're at the peak, you wait for it to come down, and as soon as this thing starts crossing over right there, you're in positive territory in the MACD, right above the purple line here. To me, that's just a trade right in this area. Take it long, and oh my gosh. Oh, that trade was even sweeter. All the way from about maybe 42.92-ish, right? 25 and 8, so no, not 35, about 33, 32 points worth of trading here. Really, really nice. So on the spider was at $3.2, right? $3.20, something like that. Really nice trade right here. This, to me, of all the trades, this was the best trade of the day right here. Just really super sweet. Now here on the 15-minute chart, also streamed to the members, this came in at 6 o'clock. So a different time frame, but look at this trade. If you took the 15-minute chart trade, whoa, my goodness. And everything about this is telling you to go long, right? Everything. I mean, this trade is so easy. This trade was very profitable and also one of the easiest trades to make. Everything's telling you to go long. This is so simple. Doesn't always work out this way, but in this case today, at the 6 a.m. pre-market, this was the trade. Massive, awesome trade on the 15-minute chart. Again, just below 4,300 up to the 43, 20, 25 area. Same exact trade we talked about. Maybe, 25, 30 points worth of trading right here. Really nice. Okay, over here on the Discord server, the members get all the services on the Discord server. So, the S&P 500, we talked about this, right? Some of the trades that came in. Here's a 15-minute one. It happened at 6 a.m. Right, as you see, here's the 4 a.m. trade I talked about right here. So for those who are up really early or international, some of my members are international, not domestic U.S. Look at this, it came exactly at 4 a.m., exactly what we saw on the chart. Gets alerted here in the Discord server for the members on the S&P 500 alerts channel. So you got 5-minute, 15-minute mixed in between throughout this entire day. Okay, there's gold and crude oil alerts. The stock alerts channel is top 30 S&P 500 and NASDAQ stocks. And then for those that want to do swing trades, there's a daily only alerts channel for those that want to do longer term swing trades, right? Premium symbols, I'll talk about that in a minute. And I want to mention to the members, it's been a lot of new members come aboard. Welcome new members. Make sure you put your email into this emails only channel, and then you'll get the nightly email. So if you like everything you're seeing in this video, just click on the link that's in the first comment of this YouTube video. It's going to take you to my Get a Server. Click on server subscriptions right there. Let me get rid of this. You get this web page right here, $7.99. You get everything I already talked about here already, and everything you're seeing here on this page in this rectangle. This is what the members get on the Discord server. All the services reside on the Discord server. Talk about the streaming charts, 5, 15-minute, 1 hour. The S&P 500 alerts channel on the Discord server, same thing, plus the daily alert that's in there. Top 30 stocks, S&P 500, NASDAQ. Again, you can just pause this video and you read this over. You don't, if you want to pause it and have a little more time to read this. Premium symbols. Okay, I have logic that goes out and my algorithm picks up symbols that I believe meet a criteria for possibly really good trades. I do a lot of futures trading, so I use this file all the time on the premium symbols channel on the server. But also in there is an optional stocks file, industries, for those who want to see money flow right in and out of industries. You'll see the industries in there. And then, of course, any symbols that I think are looking like they're primed for a short shows up in the shorts file. Okay, again, I talked about the nightly emails, right? Of course, everybody gets the YouTube videos, both the members and the public. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys and gals. Again, if you want to join, just make sure you click on the first comment in the YouTube video. It'll be pinned to the top of the comment section. Then come to the server and go ahead and click the subscription service. Hope everybody's going to have a great weekend. Again, happy trading, everybody. We'll talk to you all real soon again next time.